Hey guys, this is my M1A1 Thompson I got for my birthday for today. Basic view of the gun. It's 328 FPS. That's pretty good for a machine gun. Battery powered, full auto, semi-auto. Let's open it up. So here's the manual. Alright, so here's the gun. And we're going to go ahead and start with the drum. I already pre-loaded this video. This is the review, so I already unboxed it, obviously. So you just pop it up. There's all your BBs. I'm using 0.2 gram today, and I always will be. So there's the drum. Here's the strap you can put on your gun. I'm gonna do that later, but you see the little strap things are right there, and you just kind of hook it on, and there. Then here comes the charger. Comes with a 120 volt charger. That's good. And the battery, of course. And here it comes with a barrel cleaner. It's a metal rod. And I don't know if this comes with just because I bought it off a website or if this is like in retail, but I got these free BBs, these 0.2 gram BBs. Not sure if that's in the boxes that you would buy like at Dunham's per se, but you leave a comment if you know anything about that. Kind of curious. Alright, so here's the gun. The black is all metal. Everything black is metal. The wood is plastic, but it looks very real. Gives it that World War II style type of gun, which it is. So the basics of the gun, you know, you got your trigger here, hop up right here. That's nice. Gun has a hop up on it. And then you got your fire and safety fire, and your full auto and semi. So that's the overlay of that. And then for the iron sight, you can change it, you know, left, right, or center. I like it on the left or center. It doesn't really matter for me. Alright, so now we're gonna put on the battery. Push up on this. Take this out. Alright. Alright. No. Alright, sorry about that. Alright. So, you're gonna load the drum on. Match up this thing with the little hole right there. Alright, it's in. I want to put it on fire and single shot. We're going to do a little test fire right now. Here we go. Alright, we have a Kleenex box and a cup. So here's single shot. Cup. Alright, now this is full auto. I should not be doing this in the house, but F it, so here we go. Alright, there it is. M1A1 Thompson is a really good gun if you ask me, and thanks for watching.